Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. As you guys could see from the title, this is another contact lenses review for you guys, but this is a different one. This one here is from a company called the Billionaire Beauties, and I will leave their Instagram down below for you guys. You can go ahead and check them out, and same thing to their website. So they sent me 3 amazing colors and also a really cool little gadget as well, so I can't wait to share and show you guys everything that they have sent me. Before I go ahead and do that, if you're new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. And if you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys aboard on the light family that I have here on my channel. If you guys want to see the colors and the styles that they have sent me, please stay tuned. Okay, so everything came in this little bag right here. I'm not gonna flip it over because I have all the shipping information and I just want to keep it private. They sent me everything in here. I'll just go over this quickly. So they sent me this gadget, which I actually don't have in the box because I've been using it a lot and it's like something that I gravitate a lot toward right now. And they also have a lot of advertisements here. So they have their collection of contact lenses and the colors back here, which is amazing. They have really nice contact lenses, you guys. And also if you're interested, they have magnetic lashes. So they have all the styles. Everything is on their website. I hope you enjoy creating beautiful looks with the contact lenses. Specifically picked you because we think you're quite amazing. How cute is that? I love that. It's just inspiring. A lot of good vibes, and I love that in a company. And this is more contact lenses that they have. So they ended up sending me 3 colors. One of them is actually a bundle that comes with 2 contact lenses and the little selfie ring light here that is on the phone. I guess I'll start off with this one because it's like really fun. So this is how it looks like. You can charge it and it has 3 levels of light as well. So it has the Billionaire Beauties up here, like their logo, and I love the fact that it's black. It's like so my aesthetic. And I'm just gonna light it up and show you guys how it looks like. So this is level 1, level 2, and level 3. I'm not sure if you guys were able to see the difference in light, but this definitely, like level 3 is like really brightening. For example, I have my phone is already hooked up here, but we'll just pretend that this is my phone. You hook it up like this for like your selfie. Look at the light that it gives. Like this is no light and this is light. I don't know if you guys could see the difference here. I do have like a whole bunch of lights going on in front of me, but this adds just a little bit more. And also if you are a professional makeup artist like myself and you take pictures of your work on the clients, you can flip it over and you can take pictures of your work on anything. It could be makeup, it could be nails, pictures, whatever the case is. Like this is amazing to do, just to have really nice pictures with a nice light. So this one here is definitely a new obsession of mine. I also use it a lot on my clients too. Love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and use the contact lenses. So I believe these 2 came with the bundle with the ring light. I will leave everything that you guys need to know in the description box down below if you are interested in any of the things, and also where to shop these amazing contact lenses. So I'm gonna start off with this. First of all, their aesthetic. I love the packaging. I love the marble. I love the pink. I love everything about it. It's so cute. So the first one here is called Winter Kiss, and they also sent me these little babies right here that I can put my contact lenses in here. Now obviously I have them soaked into my contact lenses solution like always. So I already have a contact lenses tweezer here that I'm gonna go ahead and grab and use the color. This is how Winter Kiss look like. Hopefully you guys are able to see it. What I love about them is that they don't have like the dark rim around. These are just really natural on your eyes, and it's just gonna give you a natural look. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like zoom in, but like always I'll take a picture and I'll have it somewhere on the screen so you guys could see how the colors look like. And how I put my contact lenses is I tuck on my eye, look away, place the contact lenses, and then I look toward it. Oh my god, this is pretty. See the difference? My eye's quite dark and then the contact lenses like that. I love this. This is absolutely stunning. I like it because it's kind of like blue, but it also has, It also has kind of like a green rim around the pupil area. They're so light on, it looks like I have nothing on, to be honest. It looks like my eyes. Okay, I'm totally obsessed with this color. It's so nice. Also, I forgot to mention, for any of the contact lenses that you buy from their website, you can definitely go ahead and add your vision degree in there if you require one. I do require one because I wear glasses on like everyday basis because I can't see from far away. So that is an option if you need it, which is amazing. I have to say that this color is really, really pretty, and it's very, very natural for like everyday wear if you want to wear it. I'm totally obsessed with this color. Okay, next color is called Crystal Moon, and this one here is actually a super pretty color. I love this one. This is how this one looks like. So it's definitely kind of like a light gray color. There isn't any dark rim around, so, and this is how it makes it look more natural. And I can tell like around, like on the outside on the rim, there's like a little hint of like nude color or like a super light brown color. This is how the color looks like comparing it to my dark eye. This definitely conceals all the darkness, and it's like really, really natural too. I love this one. Again, I love the fact that there is no dark rim around it because this is what creates more of a natural eye color, and I have to say I'm totally obsessed with this one. It's so, so pretty. I love this one. This is absolutely stunning. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this one. This is really, really pretty. So now I use the tweezers to pull it out because it works. I was terrified with that, but it works really nicely. Last but not least, this one is their unicorn collection. And when I saw unicorn, I was like, what? This is called Paradise, and I'll show you the color right now. This is really fun because the rims of it, like just the details of it, it looks like a unicorn because it's like bubbly a little bit and it has like edges to it, which is so cute. Could you guys see the rim a little bit? It's kind of like a cloud form. It does that kind of thing, which is really cute. And there's purple, pink, and yellow in here, which is really interesting. Oh my god. Okay, so I did not expect it to look like that. It kind of looks like just like a hint of like blue purple kind of lens, and it's, yes, it says unicorn, but as you guys could see, is like really nice and wearable for like every day if you want to wear it for like every day. But it's such a beautiful color. Look at this, and you guys can definitely see the difference. I do see that I don't know if it's me, but I feel like my brown a little bit kind of peeks through this one a tiny bit, but it's still a very pretty contact lens. So I have both on, and this is how this one looks like. I'm obsessed. I love this one, to be honest. It's like nice and natural, but yet it also kind of make my iris a little bit bigger too, which I kind of like, maybe because of a little bit of that darker rim going on. But it is really, really pretty. I love this contact lenses. Yes, it says unicorn, but it's not like super extreme. It's like extremely wearable, and I love that about it. How cute. I love this one. Alrighty, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this short and sweet review. Honestly, I love all the colors that they sent me. I'm obsessed with the ring light. I used it to take my selfies for this review. I still have the unicorn contact lenses on because I'm obsessed with these. I love them. As you guys could tell, like, they're quite natural, and that's what I really, really love about these contact lenses. And they're very light on. They're very lightweight as well. Like, you don't feel like you have something in your eyeball, and no tunnel vision for any of the styles as well. But overall, I'm obsessed with these. I can't wait to try more colors from them. And definitely check out their website. I will leave their website and Instagram down below in the description box for you guys if you are interested. On that note, thank you guys so much for watching my review. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just leave them all in the comments down below. Also, I will link all the styles, the name, and everything you need to know about these contact lenses in the description box for you guys, so you can go ahead and check it out. I want to wish you all a wonderful day. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!